Good morning students. Myself Virender, PGT Geography, KB Freethcourt. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter Human Settlements and the topic the classification of towns and the cities based on the population size. In our India, several methods are used for the classification of towns, but the two methods are very popular and used for this purpose. First, the classification of towns based on functions, and second is that the classification of towns based on the population size. Here we are discussed about the second method, the based on population size. So let's see, we will discuss on the same topic. According to the population size, the census of India categorized and classified the towns into six categories. As well as you can see, all these are the six categories towns. First is that the towns. Towns, what are the towns? Towns, an urban population less than 1 lakh. All that urban population that have the less than 1 lakh population, all that population known as the towns. Second, the city. City with more than 1 lakh population area and a population area, whereas the population is more than 1 lakh. That is the city. And third is that metropolitan cities. Metropolitan cities are those cities whereas the population size from 1 lakh to the 5 million population. That we can say that the metropolitan cities. Second, and the next, mega cities. Mega cities are those population area and the urban population area, whereas the population size of that area is from the 5 million population to 10 million population and above million population. That are the mega cities. Next, megapolis cities. More than 10 million population, urban population known as the megapolis cities. So all these are the categories of the towns and the cities according to our census. Here, and each and every city and towns has a agglomeration. Dear students, here it is very necessary to discuss about the agglomeration. Agglomeration is an area whereas town surrounding area, we can say that the town surrounding area and the city surrounding area is known as the agglomeration area. This area is very meaningful and useful for each and every city. This area provides the service to the city and this area is receive the service from the city. So it's very an important area. Now here it is also discuss about the agglomeration, how the agglomeration area increased and how the agglomeration area are the cross to each other from the different cities. Sometimes different cities agglomeration area is crossed. So here how the agglomeration area is created. First, a town and its adjoining urban outgrowth. इसमें यहाँ बताया गया है कि किसी भी शहर का जो पृष्ठ प्रदेश है, एग्लोमेरेशन एरिया है, वो जब बढ़ता है, जब शहर चारों तरफ बढ़ने लग जाता है और वो आसपास के गांव को भी अपने अंदर शामिल कर लेता है. तो दिस इज द इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ द एग्लोमेरेशन एरिया. Two or more contiguous towns without their outgrowing. So second is here is that the two cities are spread their area when that those areas are crossing to each other. So this is also the increasing area of the agglomeration. Sometimes more agglomeration areas are close to each other. Basically, For examples, our Delhi. Delhi is the metropolitan cities and the surrounding small cities of Delhi like the Bahadurgarh, Narela, Bhawana, Najafgarh. So as when Delhi spread area of the Delhi and crossing and covering all these small cities nearby the Delhi, then a new agglomeration area is created. So agglomeration area is very necessary for each and every city, because this agglomeration area is provide the service to the city and receive the service from the city and the towns. Next, in this slide we can see that there is the India class-wise number of towns and cities and their population 2001. During the 2001, according to the census, our towns were classified into 6 categories. Already we have discussed about this. Category first, from 1 lakh to 1 lakh peoples and more than. Category second, the 50,000 to 1 lakh. And category third, 20,000 to 50,000. Category fourth, 10,000 to 20,000. Category fifth, 5,000 to 10,000. And category sixth, less than 5,000. So here describe about the 6 categories of the towns in our India according to the census of India. In this slide, the development and the preview of the metropolitan cities in our India. Dear students, here describe about the development of the metropolitan cities in our India. With that, metropolitan cities with population over 1 million population increased with the increase in urban population in India. Here describe about the step to step and time to time how many million cities were in our India, and nowadays how many cities in our India, the millennial cities. During 1901, Kolkata was the only metropolitan city in our India. During the 1901, the Kolkata was the only metropolitan city in our India. And during the 1911, Mumbai joined Kolkata till 1941. Such cities remained. यहाँ पर ये कहना चाह रहा है कि 1901 से लेकर के 1911 से लेके और 1941 तक मुंबई को भी मिलाकर के मुंबई और कलकत्ता, there was only 2 cities of the metropolitan cities in our India. But the next in 1951 यहाँ पर ये बता रहा है कि 1951 के दौरान यहाँ पर हमें याद रखने की बात है कि यहाँ पर हम इंडिपेंडेंट हो चुके हैं. एंड ड्यूरिंग द 1951 द फर्स्ट सेंसस वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द फर्स्ट 5-year plan was also organized here. So after the independence from the 1951, at the time of the first census, after independence, their number increased to 5 with population of Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad crossing 1 million mark. So यहाँ पर ये बताना चाह रहा है कि 1951 के दौरान यहाँ पर जो है हमारे 3 cities और इंक्लूड हो गए हैं, और 3 cities इंक्लूड होने के बाद में यहाँ पर टोटल जो है 1951 तक 5 cities आर द मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज इन आवर इंडिया. नाउ द नेक्स्ट 1961 अहमदाबाद बैंगलोर ज्वाइंड द मिलियन प्लस ग्रुप्स ऑफ द सिटीज. 1961 में अहमदाबाद और बैंगलोर 2 नए मेट्रोपॉलिटन मिलेनियल सिटीज इसमें शामिल होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इन 1971 कानपुर एंड द पुणे आर क्रॉस द 1 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन. 1971 के दौरान कानपुर और पुणे ने भी अपनी पॉपुलेशन को 1 मिलियन से क्रॉस कर गए, और ये कानपुर एंड पुणे भी जो है अब 1 मिलियन सिटीज में इंडिया में शामिल हो गए। नेक्स्ट, इन 1981 लखनऊ, नागपुर, जयपुर आर आल्सो इंक्लूड मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज। 1981 के दौरान लखनऊ, नागपुर एंड जयपुर भी जो है 1 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन क्रॉस करते हुए हमारे मिलेनियल सिटीज में शामिल होते हैं। In 1991, number of such cities rose to 223. 1991 तक आते आते हमारे देश में मिलेनियल सिटीज की जो संख्या है वो 23 तक क्रॉस कर गई, पहुंच गई। In 2001, metropolitan cities stood at 35 with high concentration of population. All the cities accounted for 38% urban population. यहाँ पर ये बताने चाह रहा है कि 2001 तक हमारी मिलेनियल सिटी 35 सिटीज तक पहुंच गई और उनमें अर्बन, देश की जो टोटल अर्बन पॉपुलेशन है उस टोटल अर्बन पॉपुलेशन का 38% जो पॉपुलेशन है वो हमारे इन मिलेनियल सिटीज में रहती है। अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011, अप्रोक्सीमेटली द 45 and the 50 millennial cities are at present in our country. So this is the diagram and this is the map. This map is clearly show that how many millennial cities, how many metropolitan cities, megapolis cities in our India. Here, this is the index, and all here are 4 circles given. So according to the circle size, the population is also mentioned. Small circle is mentioned 5 lakh population, the biggest then the 10 lakh population, and biggest then also the 15,000 population, and the biggest last is mentioned the 20 lakh population. So according to the circle size, the population is mentioned. So the Mumbai and Delhi and Kolkata is the megapolis cities and crossing the 15 and 20 lakh population also. So this figure show the population and the distribution of the metropolitan cities in our India. ये जो मैप है, ये मानचित्र है, ये मानचित्र हमारे देश में जो 1 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन या मिलेनियल सिटीज की स्थिति को प्रदर्शित करता है। ग्रेटर मुंबई विद 16.30 लाख, ग्रेटर मुंबई with 16.37 million population is the largest city of our India. आज भी ग्रेटर मुंबई हमारे देश में सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन वाला जो है वो हमारा सिटी है। And after that the Kolkata also the second number, and after that the Delhi, and also the Ahmedabad, Bangalore, so many cities. And the Bangalore and Hyderabad are also city of the over 5 million population. Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Kanpur, Jaipur, Lucknow and the Nagpur have the population over 2 million population in our country. So we can say that this is the whole our and the completion understandings map that is very helpful to understand the how many millennial cities at present in our country. So dear, this is the representation of the urban population in our country and our urban cities. यहाँ पर इस मानचित्र में ये जो सर्कल मानचित्र है, ये जो वृत्तारेख है, ये जो पाई डायग्राम है, ये पाई डायग्राम में इस बात को बताता है कि पूरे देश में the whole countries has the total number of the urban population live in which types of the categories. So we can see that the whole area, this is the category first. This is the category first. The whole area of this category first. And the category first has the total number of the living population is 61.3%. 61.3%. And this is the second area, and the second part, the second category towns. Total number of the living population in the second category towns has the 12.3%. And this is the third category of towns. This area is shown that third category of towns, and the total number of the population living in the third category population is 15.0%. So as the category 4, category 5 and category 6. The category 6 are those cities which have the total population less than 5,000, and those types of the towns have the living population just only the 0.3%. So this diagram and this table and the categorization of the towns clearly show that which types of cities have the how many people are living, how many percentage of living in our country. So my dear, this is the next map, and this map is clearly show that nowadays, the recent time period, how many metropolitan cities and the millennial cities in our at present in our country. And this table also the millennial cities table. This table is also represent the data the millennial cities in our country at present. Approximately 35 and 37 and the 45 towns are given here, and their millennial data also given here. So we can understand that approximately in a recent time period, all these metropolitan cities and the millennial cities that are shown in the map are the recently millennial city in our country. For example, the Ludhiana, Meerut, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Agra, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, Mumbai, Great Mumbai, Nasik, Nagpur, and the Chennai, the Bangalore, and the Kolkata, and the Patna. So many other cities also, the millennial cities, recent time period in our India. So dears, it was the topic, the classification of towns on the basis of the population size. And this is I think that it was very beneficial for you, and it will be very helpful to clear your concept. At last, we are given here the home assignment on the basis of that articles. First, define towns. हमने यहाँ पर towns को define करना है किस आधार पर? On the classification of the population based on population size. How many categories and how many types of the towns based on population size. Second, how Mumbai became the largest megapolis cities of India. Give some specific reason. हमने यहाँ पर बताना है कि मुंबई जो है किस प्रकार से रैपिडली क्योंकि पहले कलकत्ता में मेट्रोपॉलिटन शहर था भारत में 1901 में, उसके बाद जस्ट मुंबई, और मुंबई ने किस प्रकार से रैपिडली ग्रोथ करते हुए कैसे नंबर 1 पे जो है मुंबई पॉपुलेशन साइज में आ गया. आज मुंबई की पॉपुलेशन 17.3 मिलियन है. तो किस प्रकार से वो सभी मेट्रोपॉलिटन शहर से मिलियन सिटीज से निकल करके नंबर 1 पे आ गया, ये हमने इसमें जानना है. और बताना है गिव सम स्पेसिफिक रीजंस, हमें बताना है कि किस प्रकार से कौन कौन से वो रीजंस, कौन कौन से वो कारण हैं जिन कारणों से जो है हमारे मुंबई के अंदर पॉपुलेशन की डेंसिटी जो है, पॉपुलेशन का जो जमाव है वो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिसेंटली द करंट इश्यू द कोरोना वायरस also represent the total data. Mumbai today Mumbai became the largest and the number 1 city in our Asia according to the corona virus suffering patients. And recently the Mumbai set up the number 1 in the world also because of highest in the number of the population. Number of population is the situated in our Mumbai from the near towns, small towns, biggest towns, or the populations from the near towns come here for different purpose like occupation, like the transportation, like so many purpose. So it was enough for today. I think it will be very beneficial for us. Thank you. Have a nice day.